Today, we're going over 7 tips that's going to help you get the most out of Nano Banana Pro. Without squirrel ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the inspiration for today's video actually came from a blog post off of Google's The Keyword. Highly recommend you check out their blog. They give a lot of information that a lot of people, I think, overlook. So I'm not going to read this word for word, right? I took the liberty to summarize and pull my favorite, talking points here. So here are the main 7 tips that are discussed. So you want to establish the vision through core elements. This is about defining your subject, composition, action, location, style, and editing approach in your prompt. Think of it as the foundation. Tip number 2 is to refine details with technical specifications. This goes, for example, aspect ratios, camera angles, lighting, color grading. This is where you get specific about the look. Tip number 3 is text rendering capabilities. Nano Banana Pro can create sharp, legible text in images. This is one of the first models to actually nail this. You'll notice it doesn't look like gibberish. Now, I have gotten, I think, 1 out of 100 prompts actually miss the beat, but for the most part, you're not going to see it mess up. This works for posters, diagrams, Instagram quote graphics, as I mentioned, finally, AI that writes legible text. Now, tip number 4 is a real-world knowledge integration. This one's huge, right? Gemini 3's reasoning engine understands context and creates precise results based off of real-world knowledge. This is the tip that, based off of real-world knowledge. Tip number 5, translation and location. Tip number 5, translation and localization. Create multilingual content, same design, different languages, useful if you have an international audience. You don't need to hire a team of multilingual experts anymore. Nano Banana Pro can do that for you. It's pretty amazing. Tip number 6 is studio quality editing controls. Lighting, camera angles, focus, color, professional grade refinement without Photoshop. And then tip number 7 is image blending and brand consistency. Combining up to 14 images while maintaining character consistency or brand elements. This is great for campaigns. Google is quickly positioning themselves as the leader in the AI race. Now, these tips are great to read from a screen, but let's apply them. So let's open up a new tab and go to Google's AI Studio. And I want to go to Start. Let's go to Playgorund. This is where we grab Nano Banana Pro. We do have to link an API key as this does cost. So I'm going to select my test key. And I've prepped some prompts for us based off of all 7 tips. Okay, now that I've given you, a summary of all the 7 tips that are mentioned, in that blog article, I really want to focus on creating a prompt for a select few. Let's go with tip number 4, real-world knowledge integration. Here's our prompt. Create a modern coffee shop menu board showing 5 specialty drinks with prices. Use warm wood texture background, elegant serif font for drink names, sans serif for pricing, include latte art icons next to each drink, realistic cafe lighting shot from a customer's perspective. And the reason I wanted to choose this is, Gemini 3 is going to understand based off of its knowledge of data what a coffee shop menu should look like. I really love this. I mean, it's shot from the perspective of a customer, right? So you see these kind of silhouettes here. We didn't get specific, right? Where is the machinery? Maybe this is just the countertop to order. So as you can see here, everything is legible. I don't know about this honey lavender cortado, but I'm not sure about lavender in a drink, but everything is spelled correctly. It doesn't look like gibberish. I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing. All right, let's do another one here. I want to do a newsletter header image. Here's the prompt. Newsletter header image for AI Tools newsletter. Text, weekly AI insights in futuristic font. Abstract tech background with neural network patterns. Color scheme, deep blue and electric cyan. And then this is where we specify the dimensions. I like it. I mean, there's definitely some things I would personally change, especially if I were doing it for this brand here, Clearmud. Now, let's steer away from the copy paste of prompts. And I want to use Whisperflow to just vibe a prompt real time. And this is a unique one. So let's create a new chat. I'd like to create an infographic that is legible by a first grader. So easy that a first grader can understand it. I want to explain how NVIDIA GPUs power this AI revolution. I kind of wanted to say something different, but I want to keep it as simple as possible. So let's see how it does. So if you're a teacher, right, and you want these amazing infographics, you're about to see the power here. I've tested a few of different use cases. I haven't done one for NVIDIA GPUs, so I'm curious to see what it does and how it breaks it down. And we can actually close this here. What? Okay. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. So as you can see here on how NVIDIA's supercomputer brains help AI learn fast. The old way, like one smart chef. I can do one thing, but it takes a long time. Before, computers were like one chef. Learning took forever. What AI does now, thanks to NVIDIA. Cars drives themselves. Oh, I think we're supposed to go this way, right? NVIDIA's super team, the GPU, we work together. We do millions of things at once, right? Interesting. NVIDIA made a special computer brain called a GPU. It's like a giant team of chefs working at the same time. Okay. AI learns super fast. Wow, I'm learning everything so fast. I can see, I can talk, I can drive. The GPU team teaches the AI robot incredibly quickly. Now the robot is smart. Not one misspelling, not one hallucination of text becoming gibberish. All right, let's one up this. Now, I'd like the same idea, but for high school students who are about to graduate and choose a career path in college, right? So this is going to be a little bit more advanced. Let's see how it does. And one of my favorite things about Nano Banana Pro is you can critique on its outputs and it will actually take that critique and make those adjustments. I've found with the likes of like Manus, when I'm generating images, it does a great job for certain purposes. But when I critique it, it doesn't get me the output that I'm looking for. All right, now let's go take a look at this infographic, same topic, same idea, but it's for high school students who are about to graduate, going into college, about to choose their career path. So this should cater to that type of mind. All right, NVIDIA GPUs, powering the AI revolution in your future career. The challenge, training AI is a massive task. Deep learning algorithms, image recognition, natural language processing, simulations. Interesting. I'm not sure if this is hallucinating there. Single core processing is too slow for this, could take years. 4 GPUs, training complex AI models required months on traditional CPUs. It was a bottleneck. The solution, NVIDIA GPUs, the parallel processing powerhouse. CUDA cores, thousands of tiny processors working in parallel. High bandwidth memory, rapid data access. Tensor cores, specialized for AI math. We break the problem into millions of pieces and solve them all at once. Parallel computing accelerates AI training exponentially. The impact, AI revolution in your future career. Autonomous vehicles and robots. Develop safe and intelligent. I mean, I don't need to read through this. This is impressive. This is impressive. So yeah, I wanted to keep this video as short and brief as possible while showing the power of Nano Banana Pro. I hope you found some value in this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Let me know, what are you using Nano Banana Pro for? I'd love to hear it. And if you have any ideas on specific use cases you'd like me to make videos for, drop a comment below. That way I can add a video to my queue. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.